Human sexual behavior includes a wide range of physical and psychological actions involving sexual desire, arousal, and satisfaction, influenced by biological, cultural, social, and individual factors. It encompasses both solitary and patterned activities and is crucial for reproduction, personal well-being, and relationship. Research into human sexuality has involved significantly moving beyond early case studies to explore diverse behaviors, motivations, and the underlying biological, psychological, and social influence. Factors influencing human sexual behavior. Biological involves hereditary sexual response patterns, hormonal status, and the development of reproductive organs, particularly during puberty. Psychological includes a person's feelings, thoughts, and emotions related to sexuality, which are fundamental drives that shape identity and attraction.